Hi guys, it is Wednesday. It's a beautiful day outside. It's blue skies and we may possibly hit 70 degrees today. I'm sitting here at my desk and I'm not happy about it because, when the weather's gorgeous like that, I want to get out of the house. And sitting here makes me feel a little bit like confined, a little bit. So anyway, I'm going to go out at lunchtime and show you what's happening in my garden. Well, guys, my plans may have changed. Apparently they're not done climbing on my roof yet. Yeah, so I was getting ready to make a cup of tea here and I noticed the ladder. Oh no. At least he's not parked on top of my garden. Well, they're finally moving, except now it's time for me to go back to work. All right, guys, here we go. Let's see if anything is happening here. Lotta's gonna come down for the mail in a minute. You might see her walk by. All righty. There is nothing happening here with the hostas. I see no green. I do have some irises planted back here. Some of the tubers looked good last year and some of them were dried out. So I'm curious to see if they're spotty or what actually happens. Nothing yet though. But we're seeing all these little holes here. See all those little holes? That's where the squirrels thought they were planting their nuts, but no. Oh, it looks like something got dug up here. But that's the lavender and it was obviously dead, so I'm not gonna cry about that. But let's see. We got one lavender doing well here. You can see the little plant coming in. This is an ombre coneflower, which has not started to come up yet. That's okay that those are dry. See, that was where the squirrel was looking there. That's one of my black-eyed Susans, black-eyed Susan, black-eyed Susans. I think I have another ombre coneflower here. We're not seeing those come up yet. So this here is that firecracker plant. We have 3 of them planted. These 2 are still here. We've got the black-eyed Susans going there. Look, we have an autumn joy. That was that little one that I saved last year. Look at it. This is a weed. And so, look, let's just get rid of that right now. I don't need those in my garden. The more I pull now, the less there is later. Yeah. Oh, look at that guy trying to sneak in there. Oh, no, you don't. Hi, Lotta. You got anything good there?
Yeah.
Just go and put it on the kitchen counter. I'll look at it in a minute. Thank you. All right, that's how we do things. Lana's the mail lady. And here's another one. It's not just a review, it's watching me weed. Last minute weeding. It's just hard to, it's just hard to walk away from some of this stuff when it's just baby little plants. Like, oh, here's one, there's one. They're actually coming out. This is black-eyed Susans, weeds. Ooh, I'm just gonna grab these. I can't even help myself. Just weeded that there. Here's another black-eyed Susan. That's the only thing that's really only thing that we're really seeing so far. I wasn't looking, but I should have been looking for some of those roof tacks, right? Because that could really be a problem later. Anyway, move that sign. This is supposed to be a review. So let's see, we had things growing here, hostas, nothing's growing back. But look at this. This is what I gotta show you guys. Look, these are the daylilies. Look at how nice they're coming in here. All of them, even the baby ones here. I'm not sure if these are weeds or Mexican petunias. You know what, Martha, here's a question. You have some knowledge of these things, right? Do they self-seed? Do these look like Mexican petunias here? Or is this something I should be yanking out? I hate to be hasty. So that's all that I have for you today. We got the little garden review and stuff, so that's nice. Oh, it's just nice to be out here. I mean, I don't even need my jacket on. Next week it's supposed to be cold again, so I don't know. We'll see what happens. guys are probably wondering what we're doing, right? We're going to make a wreath for the front door. Is it them all? We got them all?
Yeah. 3 hands to
Oh,
spare.
that's not bad. Only 3 left over? It's, those are drying pretty quick here. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Whoopsie. That'll be the one where I fold a couple fingers down.
I wouldn't do that. There's children.
Children! Okay.
Sweet.
Yeah. Let me go put my shoes on.
It's funny.
I better do that over here too in case these are those Mexican petunias. God, I love that. These aren't growing yet. We can move them around if we need to.
Yeah. Fingernails.
Yeah, I don't have a problem putting those aside. Because this is more important because those are obvious.
I think this is cute. See 2.
That one here. There's one here. I know that those cone flowers are in here, but they're not popping up yet.
I'd wait till they do.
Oh, wait, right here. There you go. And that's what this one here is, so one can come here. I'm not going to worry about the lavenders. Oh, here's one. Over there. Kind of where that little dry branch is. Look at that. Look at that, guys. What do you think? The reason that I did this is the landscaping crew is, or I didn't just do it. Shane helped me here. Hi, Shane. But the landscaping crew is going to be coming through and doing their weeding very soon and then layering their mulch over top. I don't want them to go ahead to just start tearing everything out because they don't know. So we made these little labels. You know what, Shane? Could we move this guy? Would you mind moving him right over there where he was? Like right here?
Like that?
Yep. But so now this is my this is my flower garden. Look at my new flower garden. Oh my God, that's brilliant. All right, guys, I can't close a video any better than that. Catch you in the next one.